How to set up eBay seller account. To set up an eBay seller account, you could use a browser version of it. Open up your browser that you have on your device, type in eBay seller account. After which you could go to the first link. You could just tap open the first link that pops up. Now here, what you want to do is you could just go ahead and select sign up for eBay account. Once you do this, you want to sign up for an eBay account. And after you're done with that, you have to start creating a listing. So make sure that you have all the photos, documents ready. And best for a casual seller, you could clear out the household items as well. For the business account, you want to require if you are a registered entity, LLC corporations, or plan to sell professionally as well. Next, you have to provide your name, email, and create a password or sign up using a Google, Facebook, or an Apple as well. Then you could register as a seller. So once log my eBay, and there you have selling, or you have these selling, right? You could just go ahead and select sell overview, and this is basically where you could go and start creating a listing. You could verify phone and then check out, you could link a checking account as well. And this way you will be able to set up eBay seller account. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.